The definition of additive. The word additive was originally used as an adjective to describe something in addition to, for example, an additive effect. However, especially since the 1970s, additive has been used as a noun, often as a short form of food additive. A food additive is normally an artificial substance added to improve the color, flavor, or appearance of food. It has no nutritional value. Especially from the 1980s, when consumers became more concerned with the long-term effects of ingesting unnecessary chemicals, manufacturers began to put the words "free from artificial additives" or something similar on the packaging. Before looking at some illustrated sentence examples, here's a quick reminder. Continually improve your English. Click the subscribe button, the bell icon, and then all. Now let's look at an example of additive used as an adjective to describe something additional. The picture shows a park beside an apartment building. The sentence reads, "In urban planning, arranging for green spaces to be put beside residential areas can have an additive effect on property values and a sense of community well-being." So, increased property values and a community sense of well-being are additional effects of green areas beside residential properties. Next, we see sound waves on a computer screen. The sentence reads, "In music, layering different instruments can create an additive effect that enriches the overall sound and creates a fuller listening experience." Again, the sense here is of something additional to. Now let's look at examples of additive as a noun, as in food additive. The picture shows the logo of the U.S. Food and Drug Administration Department of the United States government. The sentence reads, "Regulatory agencies closely monitor food additives to ensure they meet safety standards before being approved for public consumption." And finally, the picture shows a food label with the ingredient monosodium glutamate circled. The sentence reads, "Monosodium glutamate, MSG, is a food additive which intensifies the savory taste of foods and is commonly found in processed items like soups and snacks." So remember, additive can be used as an adjective to describe something additional, or it can be used as a noun as a short form of food additive. Has this video helped you? Then like, share, or comment now, and build a powerful English vocabulary with my free course on Udemy. Just go to goodenglish.online.